not much more. So in this video, I have taken Mongodb tutorial for you in Patreon for free cost. So we are going to have a tutorial video for it. So first, I want to tell you what is Mongodb. What is Mongodb work? Mongodb is a backend work. Backend work is equal to the server work. We do the backend work in the CMD. So first I am going to open. First of all, I am going to tell you I am going to open Mongodb as such. So there are three forms of Mongodb. I am going to write the three forms of Mongodb. The three forms of Mongodb are I am going to write in WordPad. I am going to write, and after that I am going to write in WordPad. First I will tell you the intro of that thing, and then I am going to write in the WordPad. First I am going to write here. I will wait some time. I am going to tell you that what is MongoDB. MongoDB is equal to Backend Work, meaning that means that it's a backend work. Okay, it's a backend work. So after that I am going to write here why we do it. Why we do it? Why we do it? I am going to write here for is equal to document and dashboard and making collection. So these are the reasons we do MongoDB. So now I am going to tell you that that's why we do MongoDB for document, dashboard and making collection. So there are three forms of MongoDB. First, MongoDB. First, I think four. Next, MongoD. And then Mongo S, and then Mongo SH. These are the full forms of MongoDB. So I am going to tell you these three forms in one video. So I am going to tell you that MongoDB is an important word that I will tell you for use this thing. Use for MongoDB is equal to 4. I am going to give it a class 4. I am going to give it a class that is A. So I am going to write is equal to A. The reason is MongoDB used for A, class A. So then I am going to tell you that what is MongoDB. MongoDB, I am going to write a 4. First 4, and I am going to give it a class. Class will be B, and I am going to write here that for MongoDB use for giving the console use for giving the console command. MongoDB use for giving the console a command. Giving a I'm going to write a giving and console a command, and I am going to write here the class will be B, and now I am going to tell you what is use of Mongo SH. I am going to make easy. I am going to make a class. I am going to wait. Oops. Now I am going to write a for class class will be C, and is equal to going to write data in it. I am going to write the full CN commands in it. That's why we use Mongo set. So in here I'm going to write a B and here will be C. So this is the full form. Why we use these things? There are three types of full. I have taken the full forms too. So there are three types that we are learning first. There are three types that we are learning first. First is I am going to making a point. Now, first point will be my that the first one will be the common commands. The next one will be query commands, and the third one will be complex query commands that we are going to use. First we are going to learn common commands, query commands, complex commands. These are the commands we are going to learn. These are the commands. And first, we are going to learn first? We are going to learn first. Wait a second, I am going to learn it, and then I am going to write it like first. What is our first chapter? I am going to write a tick that I am going to do green. First, what we will do first. What we will do. So I am going to make point 2, and I am going to write first will be intro, and then intro of Mongodb. And then I am going to come down, and then the next point, installment of Mongodb, and then we are going to come setup. We are going to do setup, and then we are going to do the commands, and then we are going to do the query command. I am not going to write the commands, and I am going to write a Mongo like this. This is our full page that we are going to use. I am going to have an enter. I am going to write a full process. Full process is this. So I am going to come here, and this introduction color will be green because it is done. So which are done, so I am going to green it. So this was our Mongodb introduction. And what is the process, how many things we are going to learn, how many forms of MongoDB are, how many commands we are going to learn, what we will do first. So I had telling you in one video, so I am going to meet you next video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to bell icon for new video and new content. So I am going to meet you with new video, new content, and Allah Hafiz.